Hello, welcome to my channel. I teach about technology, and today I'm teaching HTML, beginner's guide to HTML. So what's HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language. Literally, a language used to write anything on the web. For example, HTML, literally, a language used to write anything on the web. It may be paragraphs, pictures, colors, and graphics. HTML has instruction codes called tags. Now, it's the tags that you use to instruct your computer to write what you want on the web. For example, this tag this means paragraph in HTML. If you write this tag, it commands the computer that whatever I'm writing here is a paragraph. To be pro in HTML, you have to master a lot of tags. A complete tag is called an element. For example, this tag here means a paragraph. If you write a paragraph inside, for example, let's say this is my first web this one from here up to here is called an element. So this one here with hang bracket, P inside and you close the hang bracket. The first one here we have here, the tag we have here, it's a tag. You call it a tag, but starting from here up to here is called an element. When you are writing HTML, you have to begin with HTML tag at the top. For example, let me show you. Here, this one tells the web that whatever we are writing here is HTML. So you have to begin with this one, with this tag at the top. Then next you press enter, then you write whatever you want to write. Remember, I told you there are many HTML tags, but here I'm giving you the basic. I'm just showing you an example. You will learn and teach yourself more tags and practice them. Now let's say we want to write our first paragraph on the web. So we are going to open angle brackets. We write paragraph. We are writing our first paragraph on the web, right? Let's say the paragraph is going to be yellow mangoes and green oranges. Yellow mangoes and at the end here, at the end of an element from here up to here, at the end of an element from here up to here, the tag that closes it, an element, should be a closing tag. So we put a forward slash in front. Put a forward slash. So after we close with, after writing whatever we are writing here, we have to close with an HTML. Like here we began with an HTML tag, so at the end of your code, we have to close with an HTML code. Now, what is next here? We have to save this. When you don't save, it will not load in the web. Go to files, go to file, and go to save. Save as, then go here. Here, write a name. You can write whatever name. Let's say, me I want to write 6. Then you call it 6. I'll call my word 6. But you have to put a dot and put HTML at the end. That's a mandate. That is compulsory. Put a dot and put HTML at the end. The name of our work we have called it 6, but this dot is a mandate. It goes on every, this dot and HTML word goes on every work that you want to save as HTML. Then we go here, we save. The words, our HTML tags will, after saving, they will show up here in a blue color. When they don't show up in a blue color, it means they will not load. So now let's load. Let's go and load this. They usually run from here. You put your things on the web from here. You go to run. You go to run. Run. Then after you go here. Then after Here we want run our things, run our work on the, run our codes on the web, but I saved the Chrome. We are going to use Chrome, and I saved the Chrome in the it is in the local disk here. Then I saved it around, I saved it here, program files, it is here. Then on Chrome, then here an application, then here, then run. It hasn't showed up. The reason is I saved Chrome as my default browser. So I recommend you to do the same. Save if you are going to run your codes on Chrome, save it as a default browser. So if you saved it as a default browser, you don't need that process. You just need to go here on file, then you come here at open in default viewer. Open in default viewer. Yes, it has showed up here. Okay, yellow mangoes and green oranges. I recommend you to save the browser you are going to use, where you will be running your codes. Set it as the default browser. If you want to set Chrome as the default browser, you will go here, then go to settings, then go here to the default browser. They say here Chrome, Google Chrome is your default browser. We have already set it, so there is no necessity, but set Chrome or set any browser you have as a default browser if you want things of running your codes to the web to be easy for you. Open in default viewer. Yes, like I said, you open here. Let's open again here in the default browser. Yellow mangoes and green oranges. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.